My last guest on the News Hour this evening is Saina Nehwal, who has gone where no Indian woman badminton player has gone before, where few women athletes have gone before. Last week, she became the first player to win a Super Series event. After winning the Indonesian Open, the ace Indian shuttler got a huge response in Hyderabad as many fans gathered at the airport to celebrate her rise in the world of badminton. It's been a dream season for the 19-year-old following her brilliant performances. Saina Nehwal, thank you very much for joining us tonight on the News Hour. You're the first Indian woman to win a Super Series tournament. How does it weigh on your young shoulders?
Yeah, you feel tensed up, a little bit under pressure, winning first title, but that's okay. I'm used to it because the first time I won the Grand Prix, I was the first Indian to do that. Then I won the Gold Grand Prix, I was the first Indian to do that. So I've been getting used to it. There is no problem, but yeah, a little bit pressure because this is the bigger tournament, and now people will be looking forward on me to win the World Championships and the bigger tournaments.
Absolutely. You got a rousing reception when you came back. Did you expect it?
Never expected such a big reception. It was excellent. Very happy that some badminton players getting such a big reception. It was great, and I'm really happy about it.
Absolutely. Remember, Saina, you said that you are known, I think you said you are known better in Indonesia and Malaysia than in India. Are you still bitter that you didn't or don't get the recognition in India?
Yeah, I'm really sad about it because I won the World Juniors, I won the Chinese Taipei Gold Grand Prix, and I also won the Philippine Open, but I was not so much recognized here. And immediately after winning the Indonesian Open, I was so famous. I am so famous in Indonesia and Malaysia, and I was just feeling that when I was playing the Malaysian Open that I should shift to Indonesia because I'm really popular over there. But now I think after that victory, when I'm really popular in India too, so that's very good part.
Absolutely. And I think the best thing about you is that you speak out for yourself. You're not being diplomatic like so many sports stars follow actors and politicians in being so diplomatic. They don't make sense sometimes. But Saina, since you are being open about it, initially there was this constant comparison. Saina, Sania, Sania, Saina. Would you say now that you are the bigger star in your sport? Is it the other way around now? Saina and Sania rather than Sania and Saina?
Uh, yeah, actually, she is playing a different game. I'm playing a different game. So actually, you can't compare that I'm doing better than her because if she would have been there in my sport, then you could have compared that. But she's in tennis and she's doing well. She's been playing well on singles and doubles too. Yeah, only because of injury, I think she couldn't play well the last season. But I got the victory, very early, such a big victory. So even I don't know how to compare myself with her, but I can still say she achieved everything in a very young age, and she's really famous and popular, and I'm happy the 50% of her fame and media and fame. So I'm really happy with the 50% of this thing. I just don't want to be as popular as her. I just want to be happy with my winning, and I just want to win many more titles in the future, and just don't want to be compared with her because she's a very good tennis player and only one who's doing well from India.
Absolutely. No. You are a player and an individual in your own right now. You've made no secret you want to be the world's #1 player. So what's your internal target, Saina? How soon will we see it happening?
World #1 is still very far. I have to consistently win Super Series tournaments for that. But right now I'm aiming for top 5 and top 3. So top 5 is by this year end, and top 3 by the next year end. So I'm just aiming for these two rankings first. And #1 is still very far, and I have to really work hard a lot for that, but I don't mind getting into top 1 position before that, and I would be the happiest person, but I'll try my best and do that as early as possible.
Well, you're practical and you're determined. Quite sure you're going to get there. Saina Nehwal, pleasure talking to you. And that's the end of News Hour this evening.